Hello, this is for third grade. Today we'll start by finding the elapsed time using a clock. So for number one, we have start time 10:10 a.m. and end time 11:40 a.m. So we're looking for the time that passed in between. So we can just subtract since they're both during the morning. And we get 1:30. Okay. So which is 1 hour 30 minutes. Let's do one more. Let's do number 9. So start time is 10:35 a.m. and end time is 3:10 p.m. So since the end time is 3:10 p.m., we should first subtract 12 o'clock minus 10:35 a.m. And we'll turn this into 60, and then we'll get 1 hour 25 minutes, and then we'll just add 3:10 p.m. and then we'll get 4 hours 35 minutes. Next, find the end time using a clock. So we have the elapsed time and we have the start time. So we'll add 1 hour 25 minutes, and we'll get 9:35 a.m. Well, let's do one more. Number 8. So start time is 9:35 and the elapsed time is 3 hours 50 minutes. So we'll just add like before. And we'll get 12:50, and which is 12:50 is 12:50 a.m. Okay. Next we have complete the table of Amy's schedule. So for number 1, we can just subtract and we get, so for number 1, the elapsed time is 20 minutes. For number 2, homework 5:10 p.m. minus 4:05 p.m. Then we'll get 1 hour 5 minutes. 1 hour 5 minutes. Next, we have walking the dog. So 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock minus 5:10. Wait. Sorry. For this one, the elapsed time, they tell us the elapsed time 25 minutes. So we just add 5:10 plus 25 minutes, and we get 5:35. So the end time is 5:35 p.m. And then eat dinner is the same thing as the first two. 6:05 minus 5:35, and we get 30 minutes. 30 minutes as the elapsed time. The last one is the same as number 3, where we add the elapsed time to the start time, and we get 6:25 p.m. Next, we have word problems. For number 1, C needs at least 25 minutes to get ready for school. If he leaves for school at 7:15 a.m., what is the latest he can start getting ready? So we just subtract. And we get the latest he can start getting ready is 6:50 a.m. For number 2, it takes Zach 31 minutes to walk a dog. It takes Rebecca half an hour to walk a dog. Who has a longer walk? So we know half an hour is equal to 30 minutes. So Zach has the longer walk because it takes him 31 minutes. For number 3, Miss Hanson needs to leave at about 6:45. If the minute hand is on 6, is it closer to 6 o'clock or 6:45? So this one is a little tricky. So if we look at a clock, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And she has to leave, it's right in blue, at 6:45. This is the minute hand. And if the minute hand is at 6, is it closer to 6 o'clock or 6:45? Oh, I think it means like if it's on 6, if the minute hand is on 6, which means it's 6:30, which is the same thing as 6:30 for red. Then that means it should be closer to 6:45 because 6:30 is 30 minutes after 6 o'clock, but 6:45, there's only a 15-minute difference between 6:30 and 6:45, so it's closer to 6:45. And for number 4, the baseball game started at 10:25 a.m. It ended at 2:45 p.m. What is the elapsed time? So we just subtract. Since the end time is at p.m., we'll have to subtract 12 minus 10:25, and then we'll get and then we add 2:45, and we get we get 4 hours and 20 minutes. Thank you for watching.